Welcome to Berchtesgaden, Germany, the setting for euRathlon 2013. Across 4 scenarios, teams and their robots had to demonstrate the skills and abilities that may be required in a disaster environment. From manipulating levers and valves to navigating smoke-filled environments, a team of judges assessed the robots against a set of specific criteria in each challenge. The first scenario, mobile manipulation for handling hazardous material, required robots to approach a rig and make it safe, shutting off valves and controls. Remotely operated robots had 45 minutes to inspect the environment and deliver live video and photos to the teams behind the controls. Hazardous waste then had to be removed and safely contained. Evening gatherings provided the teams with a chance to relax and meet competitors from other nations, reflecting on the successes and challenges of the day. In the second scenario, reconnaissance and surveillance in urban structures, robots had to enter a dark building, inspecting the environment under the watchful eye of judges. Robots generated a geometric representation of their surroundings, delivering photos and live videos as they navigated unknown obstacles, including stairs and closed doors. A series of workshops across 2 days featured experts from around the world sharing their knowledge and examples of their work. In his keynote talk, Shinji Kawatsuma explained the challenges encountered by robots in the 2011 Fukushima disaster. He urged developers not just to build robots, but robot systems, and to consider factors such as robot transportation, training, and maintenance. The workshops allowed participants to interact and discuss collaborations, whilst they could display their latest innovations in a series of static and dynamic displays throughout the week. The exhibition area included various companies with their products and projects on display. From educational tools to a series of standardized robotic tests from the American National Institute of Standards and Technology, the interactive displays showcased the latest work in the field of robotics. In the third scenario, search and rescue in a smoke-filled underground structure, robots had to develop a geometric representation of a new environment, a tunnel filled with dense smoke. This time, robots had 30 minutes to navigate debris and find objects of potential interest, sending their location back to the control station before returning to the starting point. Between and during scenarios, teams were hard at work modifying, updating, and repairing their robots to meet the demands of the challenges before them. From changing components to updating software, euRathlon was a round-the-clock endeavour for the 13 teams who competed. Machines also displayed the ability to work autonomously, especially in the final scenario, autonomous navigation using GPS, GLONASS and Galileo. Here, robots operated entirely without controllers or drivers, moving between waypoints in increasingly challenging terrain on the Kelstein mountain. The unmanned vehicles had 45 minutes to reach their goal in difficult weather conditions. Videos of the competitors were screened back to spectators and judges gathered at the control station. If robots got stuck or lost in the unknown environment, operators were able to override the autonomous systems, although penalties were imposed on teams requiring intervention. As the week drew to a close, attention now turns to euRathlon 2014, for autonomous underwater robotics. The final competition in 2015 will require teams of terrestrial, marine and aerial robots to collaborate in a realistic emergency response scenario.
We'll keep in touch with you from now on, and I very much hope to see you in future euRathlon events. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
So I know you're all eager to now rush home.